Kamusta po sa mahal kong followers? How are you? Update ko lang po kayo sa condition ko, ha? Walang iyakan muna, buhay pa naman ako. So today, ginagawa ko tong video, September 11, 2024. What time is it? Mga 11 a.m.
10 a.m.
Okay, 10 a.m. Ow! Sakit niya. Sakit niya. Sakit ng bukol. I check my WBC. Sabi niya, paano ka nabuhay? Your WBC is 0. If I do not put out this video, I will just die. The news will be, Doc Willie died one day. He did not tell his followers. He lied to his followers. I owe it to the Filipino people to be honest to them. I owe it. Mahal na 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 mahal ko kayo po lahat. I think I got all this pain from negative thoughts, negative emotion, from all the hurt, from all the bashing I got from the 2022 vice presidential campaign. I got so many bashing. If you pray for me, I think I will get well. If you keep on bashing me, I think I will die. Hindi nyo naiintindihan kado ko kayong kamahal. Bawat takbo ko para po sa inyo, hindi para sa akin. Anong ginawa nyo? Binash na ako ng binash. Sumaba sobrang loob ko. May isang basher nagsabi sa akin, Doc Willie, even if you run 10 times again and again, you will lose again and again and again. What did I do to you? Why do you hate me so much? I saw my mom. My mom died. Nandun siya. Kinukuha na niya ako eh. Readmitted ako. I was vomiting. Delirious. High fever. They check my WBC. Sabi niya, paano ka nabuhay? Your WBC is 0. My BP was low, 85/60. Dehydrated, sepsis, vasodilation of the artery from possibly E. coli. Ow! Sakit niya. Sakit niya. Sakit ng bukol. Kamusta po sa mahal kong followers? How are you? Update ko lang po kayo sa condition ko, ha? Walang iyakan muna, buhay pa naman ako. So today, ginagawa ko tong video, September 11, 2024. What time is it? Mga 11 a.m.
10 a.m.
Okay, 10 a.m. Parang may transformation po sa akin. Hindi ko alam, parang alam niyo, gabi-gabi, parang may pumapasok na spirito dito. Di ko alam ano nangyayari. At meron ako mga nakikita. Kukwento ko sa inyo. Sabi nga nila, yung mga may cancer patients, I have sarcoma. Para sa mga doktor, you can use me as your case study din, ha? Okay lang po. Hindi ako magagalit. I will allow it. Use Doc Willie on case study. Ganito yan. My diagnosis is sarcoma. One of the most hardest cancer to treat. It is 16 centimeter by 12 centimeter by 13 centimeter hidden inside my abdomen. The cancer situated itself in a very tricky and devious manner. It started from the T10, T11 spine. It grew to 16 centimeters. This sarcoma, it is so destructive. It blocked half of my esophagus. Pit niya yung aking right atrium. It also blocked my right atrium, almost compressing my heart. Look at my veins. And worst of all, you know what happened? This sarcoma is almost closing my inferior vena cava. My feet, grade 3 edema, swollen feet yesterday. There is some God's will that brought me here. Because when I saw all the beauty and strength, the speed, the coordination, and the brain power, everything here, ooh, it's like everything here is happening. Fast speed, fast speed. Here, in 2 days, they will get all your labs ready. On the third day, they will kill the cancer. So on the third day, I had the first chemo. The problem, I am admitted right now for one of the side effects of chemo, which is low WBC, which led to my condition now. You will be very surprised sa mga doktor po dyan. For those doctors and health workers watching, my diagnosis right now is neutropenic sepsis. So, ano po, Filipinos love and cherish each other. Pray to the Blessed Virgin Mary. Pray to Padre Pio. Pray to the Lord Jesus Christ. My whole body is tingling right now, Doc Lisa. Ito, ang kapal-kapal. It's like a spirit came here, all over here. I thought I had high blood pressure, natatakot ako. So I got them to check my BP now. This is my BP, 115/74. My BP 3 days ago is only 85/50. 3 days ago, I was vomiting, shouting, delirious. Heart rate is always 118, temperature 36.8. Hindi po ako nagloloko. Hindi to bola-bola. Life and death to. Baka bukas patay na ako. If I live, I will live for you. I will live for every Juan de la Cruz. We need good people to run. Good people to run as senator, president, congressman, lahat. We should love the earth. No to mining. We should tax the correct people. Stop the corruption. Look, the Philippines is so rich. You politician, you bribe the people. You give them money to vote for you. You keep them stupid. You want them stupid. Take this. Low phosphate po ako. Lactulose. Low phosphate. Spironolactone Lasix. Diaphragm lozenges for the throat. Ayoko ako lang gagaling. Naiiyak ako. I was crying because they had the best health care. Our Filipinos have no health care. This is the new Doc Willie. Sorry for those watching. I have to do this. This is my mission. Live or die, I will be true to myself. Pero this is how I feel. If I do not put out this video, I will just die. The news will be, Doc Willie died one day. He did not tell his followers. He lied to his followers.